I know I'm a little late to the ball game, but guys, I'm here and that's all that counts. Today we're playing with Colourpop Candy Castle eyeshadow palette. Are you excited? Also, I forgot how freaking bright and blinding the cookie highlighter from Benefit Cosmetics was, but I'm very hoey and glowy today. You're welcome. I'm also extremely caffeinated, so I wonder how this video is gonna go, honestly, and how this eyeshadow is gonna go. It's probably gonna be like off the walls, but I don't know, whatever. This isn't a traditional video. I keep uploading videos, so you know what? We're skipping the intro. Like and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Hey. Okay, we're going for the higher angle today, okay? It's all about the angles, and I'm tired of showing off my double chin, so we're doing something a little bit different today, okay? Okay, Zoeva Matte Longwear Eyeshadow Primer, as always. We love it. You know it's good because I use it all the time, so I know how shadow is supposed to perform with this primer. It's my favorite primer out of all four primers I've ever used in my entire life. It's my favorite, so. Okay, so I bought this from Ulta. It was $18. I was gonna like play with this, what, 2 weeks ago when I bought it. I bought it with the pumpkin spice palette, but I liked all the other palettes more, so I wanted to do them first. And then, you know, whatever. Here we are. Here's the palette. Ooh, girl. I guess it has a nice mirror on it because this is a heavy little top up here. We don't need that anymore. Here is what the palette looks like. It's a pastel dream. I think it really goes well with Candyland, and it smells good too. Like, I can't hear out of this ear. I'm probably yelling, and I can only smell out of this nostril today, so this palette actually smells really good, so that's great. I don't know what look I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna like go in hard and, I don't know, create a cute little look. Maybe I should do 2 looks. Maybe. And then I'm filming another video after this, so I could just like leave it for funsies, huh? Yeah. Maybe. We'll see. Okay, first off, I want to take this humongous Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush in JH09, and I want to take the shade Rainbow Trail, which is this green shade, and I'm going to apply it to my lid. Maybe that brush is too big because, well, I didn't see anything. I saw nothing. Okay, just a regular, Morphe brush, doesn't have a name. I don't see anything. Hold on, let me just like, I'm serious. Okay. We're not even gonna tap it. Oh, there we go. Okay, we definitely need to pack on these shades. So, yeah. Ooh. Okay, when you actually like pack on that color, she gets bright. Ooh. There's some sparkles in here. Be aware of that. I didn't really realize, and now it's on my face. But it's not like the Jeffree Star sparkles. No, that was a whole different story there. Okay, well now that I've packed the color on, it's actually not looking so terrible. Looks actually really, really pretty. I kind of like that mint green color. Sorry, I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder because I am obsessed with myself. Next, I want to take the shade. I think I want to do Candyland, which is the light pink right here. I'm going to take that. I'm going to first put it on a more dense brush so I can pack on that color. We'll do the JH41. Okay, we got the color on there. Packing it on. I don't know. I don't know if you can even see it. I mean, I can tell it's there, but I don't know if you can tell it's there. I don't know if I like it. At least maybe not that color. I don't know. You know what? We're going to darken it up with Grandma Nut. Okay. This is the shade. Tell me that doesn't at first appear like Grab My Nut. So we're going to take the Grab My Nut shade. Oh, this formula feels a lot different. Like on the brush, like when I'm doing this, it feels like a normal Colourpop shadow and not like really soft, like the ones with the little glitters in it. So I think I'm going to actually have some pigment payoff. So let's like dust a lot of that off. And let's just do a tap. Yeah, I feel like this is going to be like a normal Colourpop shadow. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna grab the fluffy brush again, and we're just gonna work that into the corner. darken it up a little bit, make it a little bit more lively. I'm just gonna take my finger. There we go. Yeah, that's good. Good, good, good. You know what this palette color story reminds me of? Kind of like the James Charles drama that's going on right now with the whole you stole my color blocking idea, even though it's been around since, like, you know, the dark ages. This is what it's reminding me of. And, you know, I don't even like James Charles, but I think that drama is so stupid. I'm just saying. That's what we got going on right now. And what I do like is that I'm still seeing the green. Like, the green shade is really coming through. And honestly, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I can see in person the light pink shade is still there too. I haven't lost that color, so at least the pigment is working out really, really well. I want to do, I think this purple, I think that would be great. Taking the plumpy shade right here, putting it on my finger and just applying it to my inner. I should probably like wipe off whatever this black stuff is on my finger first, because that wouldn't be too cute, huh? Okay, clean finger and taking the plumpy purple shade. Gonna apply that to my inner and just meet it up to the pink shade. Ooh, wait, this color's pretty. Okay. Okay, okay. I think I just like did something here. Like at first I was kind of like scared that I was gonna absolutely hate this palette, but now this look just like came together. Hold on, let's zoom you in. Look at it. It actually gives me a 90s vibe. Look at this. It's actually not a bad combo. Like when you actually put that purple shade and it all comes together, it actually looks so good. Oh, okay. I'm excited. Okay, since that is going really, really well, I'm just gonna get a little bit groovy and take this yellow Craving shade and put it on my lower lash line. Why the heck not? Let's see how pigmented you are. I don't see her. Let's use my finger. I don't love it. I mean, you can see it on camera, but I don't love it. It looks like I put banana under eye stuff and like didn't I didn't like blend it out. Okay, new plan. We're gonna take King Candy, which is this peachy pink color, and we're gonna apply that to the lower lash line instead. Cute! And I call this look James Charles Color Block Drama. Isn't it pretty? I think I need to like put my lighting a little bit this way. I think you can see the colors a lot better now. Tell me this doesn't give you, hi sisters, I stole color blocking. I know that I'm making fun of it because the drama is just so stupid. Sorry. Okay. Now, what do I want to do for the other eye? I think I want to take the shade Lord Licorice over here so we can play with every single shade. We're going to take Lord Licorice and I'm putting it on the Jeffree Star JS9. And I'm going just to apply this in my transition creasy shade area. And we're just going to do more of a popping, as neutral as possible look. Honestly, this shade is absolutely beautiful. And look, it's only taken me 2 seconds to actually blend it on my eye. So positive vibes there. Now we're gonna take Gloppy, which is this dark color. It's the same finish as the other shades that are pastel with like those like the glitters in it. So let me see if this feels like the same on the brush. Yeah, see, the formula feels a lot different. I could even tell when I'm putting my brush in there that it doesn't feel the same as like the ones without the glitter. It feels like basic Colourpop like shadow formula, but the ones with the glitter feel a little bit different, and I can even tell on my brush. So same brush, just going to do some dabs, and yeah, I don't want it to be too dark. Unfortunately, this shade is patchy, okay? Patchy. Extremely patchy. She's starting to blend a little bit though. She's starting to blend a little. I keep looking at this eye and I'm like in love. Taking a little bit more gloppy, and I'm gonna try and just color it in a little bit more. Great. Okay. I think I'm gonna take the shade, actually let's just play with yellow because we really didn't play with the yellow, and put it on a packing brush type situation, a really dense brush. You know what, here is the Naked Honey Urban Decay brush that I stole out of the palette before I sold it on Poshmark. I'm actually going to put it on the brush first and really get the color on there, do a little hit, and I want to see if I can get the color a little wet and see if I can really intensify. Got that on my tongue. Intensify the pigment a little bit. I would have to say I intensified the pigment. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit more color. I actually kind of like the situation that's going on right now. It's actually really cute. Cool, love that. I'm just going to take the brush, and if there's any extra product from Gloppy, I'm just going to do this little number. That blended like really well. Like really well. Wait a minute. Is it, I haven't seen like anyone play with this. Is there negative reviews out there? Because this palette's actually not even like that bad. Like you could stop here and that would be like a beautiful look. And another thing, you could do those exact same shades, the Lord Licorice and the Gloppy, and then just interchange out the pastel shade in that every single time and have like so many different looks that you can do with a different pop of pastel. And then you could even do like for the pink shade Candyland, instead of using this shade here for your like crease shade, you can do the dark pink. Actually, I really like that idea. You could do so many looks with this palette. Okay, great. I'm going to take Sugar High and I'm going to add it in my inner corner for fun. Taking the Jaclyn Hill Morphe JH39. Just gonna swivel my brush in there, give it a bang. I'm gonna do an inner corner highlight. It gives it a nice little highlight color. Cute! It's actually really intense. And what I do like about that shade is that I'm swiveling my brush in here. Hold on, let's show you. Swiveling it. And it doesn't feel, I wonder if it's like a Super Shock shadow because you swivel it and there's no powder, no kickback, no nothing. Hold on, let me just do this over here too because I really like the intensity of this shade because it's like really intense. Like I can go into an actual highlighter palette and it's not this intense like right off the bat, like at all. And if I'm being completely honest, I'm keeping this palette because it's actually beautiful. I don't have pastels like this and I think the pastels are actually pretty fine, but this Sugar High shade right here, the fact that I'm literally barely tapping my brush in here, well I'm not really, I'm swiveling it around and I can get an intense inner corner highlight just like that and it looks so good. I have to keep the palette just for this shade. I want to do some individual swatches really quick on my hand just because I want to see the potential of what these shades could look like if you wet the brush before you actually applied them. Like here is that pink shade right here, Candyland, on the back of my hand. I just swatched it once. Now I want to put it on the back of my finger, wet it, and then swatch it. Yeah. See, you wet it, and it looks like a completely different shade. That's wet, that's not wet, and it really intensifies it. Wow, okay. Game changer. I wonder if anybody else realized that. Okay, another thing, now that these fingers are black, I'm gonna take my pinky finger and do it with this green shade, Rainbow Trail. Okay, we have the color on my hand. This one's really intense. Okay, swatch it. That is without it wet. Now let's do it wet and see what it looks like. Here it is, same thing. Get it wet. Let's see what it does. Okay, here we go. It makes the color different just slightly on this shade. I feel like it's more pigmented when you don't wet it though for that shade. Okay, anyways, that is it, you guys. Oh, Should I do a lower lash line color? Let's do a lower lash line color really quick. To get my angled brush. I always like an angled brush for like a darker shade. And I'm just gonna take, say, we'll do Grandma Nut. Grab my nut. And we're going to do my lower lash line. Bam, done. Let me zoom you in. Let me zoom you in and show you. That's the wrong direction. Hi, here's this one. Here's that one. I'm in love. Actually, this palette's not that bad. It's actually really good. This is so good. I'm definitely keeping this palette, especially for that inner corner highlight. Like, y'all gonna be seeing me popping now, okay? I'm gonna be inner corner highlighting popping. This is the most intense highlight that I've ever had. Ever. I'm not even kidding. Besides Cookie all over my face because I forgot how intense she was. She's a very intense girl. But, okay. I'm gonna do my liner and lashes and whatnot, and I will show you, like, the finale, you know, the big bang of what I look like. But this is actually a really good palette. Like, I don't know. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Lashes and eyeliner is on. I didn't do like eyeliner. I used the matte eyeshadow from MEDUSA'S makeup as my eyeliner because I said I was going to start doing that because I actually prefer it and it's so much easier to get off when I'm actually washing my face, especially as much makeup as I use, and it dries out my eyes and I'm just not into it. So, oh, also if you want to see what I got in the MEDUSA'S makeup box for September, go watch. I have it linked below. It's actually a really cool subscription box. But yeah, this is the final look with the Candy Castle palette. Well, final two looks. I actually really, I like it. I like it. I'm sorry, I'm very hyper. I've had a lot of coffee today and I slept so good last night and I haven't felt this good mentally in a hot minute, so you're getting all of the energy. Here, here, take some of my energy. I have too much. Take it. Anyways, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below about this palette. Are you going to pick it up? If you do, I'll probably have a link below. You can go buy it and I'll make a little bit of a commission if you buy it through my link. But anyways, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!